lived a curious young teenage boy named Calvin, a rabbit named Finn.
Ever wonder what's behind those charming kids' story YouTube channels with millions of views? These channels captivate their viewers with great stories and captivating animations. Let's head to Social Blade to see what these channels could be earning. This image is the vibe of a YouTube channel, and you might be familiar with it. The channel provides a deeper story with images and simple animation, attracting a large viewership. So after an overview of kids' story videos, we won't stop there. We'll guide you through how to create your very own animated kids' stories with Canva. Get ready to unleash your creativity and share captivating tales with the world, while having the chance to earn from your enchanting narratives. It's time to explore this delightful journey and create magical stories that captivate young hearts and minds. You might also be curious about the earnings potential of such content. So sit back, relax, and let us start. Create the story with ChatGPT to craft our captivating story. We turn to the incredible power of AI specifically. With its help, you'll create a story border outline to serve as a visual and structural plan for your anime show. Prepare scenes and characters. This involves creating a clear vision of the scenes and characters for your story and gathering visual assets. Step 2. Create images with Leonardo AI. Today, we'll be using Leonardo AI. After setting up your account, you can access the Leonardo dashboard to generate images inspired by your story. First, click AI Image Generation. Then select 3D animation style model, then aspect ratio, the number of images. You have the option to either use the existing story or craft your own prompts. We use the story as our prompt. Copy some sentences or paragraph from story. Once you input your prompts, click Generate. Leonardo will create images that match what you have in mind. After we are satisfy images with required images, to make the background transparent for the character, you should remove it. This way, you can add the image to a video with a transparent background. Step 3. Create voiceover with Eleven Labs. We utilize Eleven Labs for our voiceover creation. Navigate to the Eleven Labs, paste your text into the provided text box, and select the preferred voice. Step 4. Create the story video with Canva. After navigating to the Canva dashboard, select the video option to access the Canva editor interface. Use the Upload toolbox on the left-hand side of the screen to upload images, audios, or videos. Once you've uploaded images, videos, and audios into the Upload tab, click on the Upload toolbox, select a background image for the initial scene, and drag it onto the timeline. Click on the page, choose Animation, and under Photo Movement, select Photo Zoom. Head to the Element tab, search for Cloud, select the desired cloud element, and drag it onto the page. Adjust the size and position as needed. Replay the scene to review. Once satisfied, proceed to the next scenes. Click on the Upload tab to select the background for the next scene. For character animation, drag and drop the main character, a young boy, onto the page. Click on Animation, then under the Photo Animations tab, click on Create an Animation. Control the boy's movement and speed. Add other animated elements such as dogs and cats by typing Animated Dog and Animated Cat in the Element tab. Drag them onto the page and repeat the same process as the boy, adjusting the movement of the animation as needed. Add additional elements like a question mark. After completing a scene, navigate to the transition icon between two scenes. Click on the icon, select Dissolve, and proceed to the next scene. Repeat these steps for the remaining scenes following the pattern established in the initial 2 scenes. Finally, incorporate a voiceover into the timeline and ensure the video is synchronized with the narration. Additionally, introduce background music by visiting Pixabay to find copyright-free music. Using the search box, type children's music and select a track you prefer. After downloading the chosen music, integrate it into your video. I believe you can improve upon this. Now, let's take a look at the final result.
Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills, lived a curious young teenage boy named Calvin. Calvin had a heart full of wanderlust and a mind brimming with questions. One day, he discovered a hidden path leading into the enchanted forest beyond the village. In the